Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening settings immediately. Don't linger. On phones, swipe down and tap the gear or open the Settings app from the home screen. If you're on desktop, open System Preferences or Settings. Once done, make sure you know whether to choose Privacy, Location, or Security. That determines exact toggles. You're initiating a system-level change, so be ready to confirm prompts and enter your passcode or admin password when asked to prove you authorized the change. Next, go to Location or Privacy and flip Location services off to stop global GPS access. If you prefer selective control, keep System Location on and change per app permissions. Set apps to never or while using the app. For Android, disable Google Location History. For iOS, disable Significant Locations. Also check system services like Wi-Fi networking and Bluetooth location, and turn them off if you want stricter privacy. Finish by rebooting your device to ensure changes apply. This clears cached location data and active connections. Once restarted, verify with an app that previously used location to confirm it's blocked. If location still appears active, make sure VPNs or carrier-assisted location services aren't overriding settings, clear app cache, and check browser site permissions. If nothing works, reset network settings as a last resort. Remember, re-enable only essential services later and periodically review permissions to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.